You better not be having another fucking wet dream, Caillou. I can't keep cleaning it off your sheet. Get up for school.
No. I can't ever have one fucking day to myself.
Then go to fucking school and we'll be away from each other for the rest of the day. Get dressed now.
If you haven't noticed, it's spring break. School isn't starting until another 1 week for me.
In case you haven't noticed, I got a letter from the school saying you have to attend Saturday school because you never fucking behave. Do it now, bitch.
I'm ready.
Of course you are. We never change clothes.
Well, drive me to school then.
No. You can walk for your punishment.
I guess I'll stop here before I go to school. I don't give a fuck if I'm late, to be honest. It's spring break.
Hello, kid. What can I help you with?
I'll have 55 burgers, 55 tacos, 55 fries, 55 onion rings, 55 milkshakes, 55 nuggets, 55.
10 minutes later.
55 ice cream, 55 chicken wings.
Get the fuck out of here, you bald cunt.
Ha 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 ha. That's what you get for kicking my ass in class a while back.
You're already testing my limit, you bald shit. Get the fuck out of here or else I'll give you the same treatment as last time.
Ha 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 ha. Obama is getting mad.
That's it.
Oh shit. Made it out just in time. Better get to school.
Well, I'm not surprised.
Well, you should be because I came to this shit anyway.
Just sit down, Caillou. Closer, Caillou.
Where are the other kids?
On their way now.
So, what are we learning about today?
Well, biology, physics, all that stuff.
Can I at least take a piss before learning? I've been holding it in since this morning.
Yes, but don't go causing shit like you always do.
How do I get out of this? I got it. The fire alarm. I'll pretend it wasn't me. Smart move. Ha 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 ha. Gotta hide.
Fuck. I'm not dying for all of you little shits. Get out of here, children.
Teacher, what the fuck is happening?
Someone set off the fire alarm. We have to stay in here until authorities save our asses.
Oh no.
Why the fuck are you laughing? We are all going to die.
But all of the other kids ran out of the school, so it's pointless to stay in here.
You're not getting out of going to school just because of this. You're staying with me.
Whatever you say.
What is this? I expected a little better from you, Samir. One of your students sent off a fake fire alarm. Why the fuck would you let a student out of your class during class time? Who caused this, Samir?
Before you blame me, how about you check security footage? Because that shit always catches people in this school for unknown reason.
I might just do that then.
I think I might know who done this. Oh, of course it's obvious. Caillou clearly did it as he done it 1 million fucking times before. I'm gonna call his parents.
Oh god, here we go again. What did you do this time, Caillou?
What do you mean?
Well, school starts at 8 o'clock and you're home at 10:35. Why? Tell me the truth now or I'll ground you so fucking hard.
I caused a fake fire incident by pressing the fire alarm, then I came home. Sorry.
I don't know why you always admit the stuff you did to me, but whatever. Caillou, how dare you cause a fake fire incident? You are grounded for 2 days. Actually, no. Caillou, get the fuck out of your room. Oh fuck, my grounding system is fucking up. Oh, you get the point. Go upstairs to your room.
My crying system is fucking up.
Get out of my face. You smell like you never take showers.